Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Guys, don't forget that we have a very great special. I think you can see that on the screen. I'll make sure that you see that on the screen. We have $18 actually lifetime signals. So if you want to be part of the team, obviously, or if maybe you want to test the signals, $18, I don't think that is much. I'm just going to make this video very quick. The reason behind that is I think in 15-20 minutes the power will be going off around 8 to 12. I think it's 4 hours or something like that, as we have like stage 6 or stage 7. So I just need to do this as quick as possible. So currently you can see that we are on gold. So what's really happening on gold? As I repeated this several times, you can see that the market before was actually going down, right? So now the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside, which means this is now what? An uptrend. The market is pushing up and we expecting to do what? To buy only. Do you see that? I think maybe that is just quite straightforward. So if we go closer there, I will try to change the time frame. Yesterday I did send a video about time frames. I think maybe now you're not going to get confused when I talk about the time frames, right? So let's see. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see that actually the market did what? Did a very nice job by respecting this area. You see that? So obviously you can have a buy around this area or there, as we were late. If I sent this signal, I no longer remember if I sent that. If I did send that, obviously they are eating, and I think the market can still reach around 1810, where maybe we can find this resistant, or maybe the market can break that and start to push the upside. But currently we are on a very nice uptrend. Do you see that? Do you see that? And guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Right, so let's push to the next one. The next one is actually US oil. The next one is actually US oil. What's really happening on US oil? Let's start with 4 hours time frames, as we always do. What's really happening is quite straightforward. You can see that yes, the market is on what? On a very nice downtrend. The market is downtrending. So if the market is downtrending and you can see that the market has been going down for quite some time, what will you do? Obviously you're going to look for sell positions only, because the market is downtrending, right? So I like this camera. I think we're gonna interact very nice. So you can easily see that the market is actually going down, right? So if the market is going down, we look for sell position. Why will you look for buy unless if maybe the market is around this area? But for now here, we just have to identify those areas where we think maybe the market is going to respect, and we keep selling. So if we go closer, you will see, I will just use maybe 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. So you can see we smashed this one days before. Now the market has been playing games around this area, but you can easily see that actually the market wants to continue with that trend. The market seriously wants to continue with that trend. You see, so that's why we can have a sell pending order there. But play around with your stop loss nice, because what I do here is I'm trying to make sure that people, they don't really lose much, but you find out maybe, or most of the time, maybe the stop loss is very small. I can't make a stop loss like this. It has to be reasonable. So, but actually the stop loss should be there. Then we can hold those trades a bit longer. The market can play around a bit longer, but I'm expecting what? The market to go down, because the market will try to consolidate and stuff like that. And remember, this month they actually going to increase the rates. Maybe that is the reason why we see the market going up and down. Plus, we have to wait for CPI, core CPI, and see whether the inflation is still going up or down. We need to check that. I think maybe that will happen maybe next week. No, I think next week. But we will see. They will see. If maybe they're not going to release that, maybe they're going to release that actually next month, which is going to be January. Remember, we have a very nice special. Join lifetime signals for $18. I'm expecting people to join, especially for you guys who are here on YouTube, who always say, Kenzo, these things are expensive. I will 1, 2, 3. that is $18. I think if you are in South Africa, it's 300 something. I don't know. You can do the conversion there. So let's push to the next one. I think this will be US30. Yeah, this is US30 because I want to make this thing very quick, as I will be uploading this video and the power thing will be off, but I have a smaller backup. But as long as you can get the update, guys, it's better than nothing. So that's why I always say, please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You can share my videos to anyone, like you can share them on your Facebook so that they can find my channel. And I think maybe before the end of this month, maybe we might reach even 5K. And I'm not actually playing game of maybe growing the channel very quick, as long as maybe those few people who can get that information, the information that you feel like is going to help someone, even if we help 2 people, that's great. It doesn't have to be 100,000 subscribers. So because you might have that but still not help anyone. So as long as I can help 20, it's fine. So yeah, reserve your spot for this $18 special. So what's really happening on US30? On US30, we can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually, was actually pushing to the lower side. That's why we were doing what? Looking for sell positions only, even though we did have some hit and run, buy hit and run along the way, yes, but the market was actually on a downtrend. If we go closer there, you will see that after that the market actually broke out of our resistance. Then the market is now doing what? Consolidating. Yes, we did take some nice profits, take some nice trades there, and we made something. And I think day before yesterday or whatever, I think day before yesterday, the market was also playing games, and we did not actually make much. But yesterday, yes, some trades, they were in a very nice profits, guys. So if you are like from the group, guys, when I send the signals, sometimes let's say when I send the signals, I send those signals actually with the structure plus not actually taking enough risk. So you have the right to do what? To adjust your stop loss. You have the right, like 100% right to adjust your stop loss, because sometimes I might say it's reasonable to have a trade here because maybe the market was already far. I can't say the stop loss should be there. Do you see that? So it means you should use your trading plan, your risk appetite, whatever, and say, you know what, I'm willing to lose this much. Or sometimes you don't have to take trades. Sometimes we are late with sending the signal, so you don't have to just jump on top of everything, because sometimes you find that the stop loss was tight, and guess what? The market maybe bounced back, took you out, then the market pushed to the upside. So you have to play around with your stop loss. So watch the videos about the stop loss and stuff like that, right? So what's really happening is, yes, let me remove that. We did eat there. I heard someone said, oh, Kenzo, I lost, whatever. But when they make money, they don't even send me the screenshots. But when they lose, they say stop loss hit. That's crazy. So, yeah. What's really happening here is now we are actually on an area where the market is doing what? The market is actually consolidating, which means the market is still deciding which direction to take. The market is still deciding which direction to take, but we know what? We're still going to play along with this. And when it goes up, we're going to focus on this. You see, we're going to buy, but plus, especially because we are actually on a support area and the market broke out of this resistance, which means we're expecting the market to push up. That's why we will always buy here. Yes, we can take a hit and run on a sell if maybe the market hits here and think maybe if we see that the market is going to sell, yes, we can take that. There's nothing wrong with that, but we should be careful because the market already it's supposed to go up as the market broke out of that support resistance area. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, the one on and only. This is my favorite, guys. For the robot is still the same. Price is 265. If you want to get the robot, just let me know, because now it's December. Maybe you don't really have time. Some people, they don't really have enough time to trade. So it means if you let the robot actually run while you're still busy, that will be a very nice thing, because you're not going to, you have enough time. You can just plug your robot on your PC, then you let it run, then you're fine, you see. So let's see on NASDAQ what's really happening. Yes, I said the robot is still, and you pay once, unlimited license. But currently, this is robot, let's say EA. Currently, we are having $18 special lifetime signals. Right? So what's really happening on NASDAQ? We easily see that the market is doing what? The market is on a very nice downtrend. And this is quite different from what we saw actually on US30. US30 already broke out of this trend. The market is around these areas. So we don't know if maybe the market wants to follow that, or maybe the market will push lower, but we will see. Because I also saw on S&P 500, S&P 500 did not actually break out of that resistance. So we don't know which one is which. Maybe the market will go down and follow this, or maybe the market will, all this will follow maybe US30, but we will see. But the bigger picture is, you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is going down. Please smash that subscribe button. So let's see. If we go closer there, if we go closer, let's see. If we go closer there, you can easily see that, you know what? The market is actually, yes, very closer to our resistance. You see that? This area is where the market is resisting. And on top here, again, the market created something for us, which we can call also a resistance. But currently, the market is doing what? The market is just consolidating. It's going up and down. This is not a trend. Mostly, our robot follows the trend. Sometimes with type of moves like that, sometimes it's going to be easier to lose, because the market just goes up and down very quick. So let's see. Yeah, so now we did, actually I lost something here, I think day before yesterday. But yesterday at least we did recover, but the market was not that strong. You can see our entry. Our entry was here. We had some crazy rejections. This is what I was talking about. The stop loss was very close. You see, if you saw, or if you did watch my analysis, you will see that, okay, there is a resistance. You can actually adjust that resistance and put it there. But I can't just give people some crazy stop loss, so they have to think for themselves, especially if they call them traders, right? So what's really happening is, now I can see that the market actually, we had an entry here as a buy pending order. Then the market touched that in a smaller profit, then boom, the market went lower. Then after, the market is pushing up. Even now, the market is trying to do what? To push the upside. So now, what do we think? I think the market can still push the upside. Maybe reach, maybe reach this area, but it's fine, guys. The power just went off. It's fine. The power just went off. I think I took much time. I don't know if maybe you can see this, but I think maybe it's much better. Let's call it a day. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thanks.